today's trading rule, and it's one of my favorite golden rules, is never ever chase the market. Let the markets come to you. And it's so hard. A lot of times, like, when the market would just touch a particular like support or resistance, or touch a moving average, and you're just like so eager to get into the market, you do tend to be proactive than reactive. And the market knows that, and the market will actually teach you a lesson for doing so. So my advice to you is, be reactive, like, just wait for the market to come to you. The market will eventually come in that direction. Something that I would do often, and I'm guilty of it honestly, is I will like proactively take a buy position when the market is still like in correction. It's still trying to consolidate itself, still trying to find its direction, but I in my mind just know it's going to go in that direction, and I take it. And the market will like then go in my direction and then bounce back up, because it's still not ready to go in that direction, and I'm like stopped out. And it's a mistake. I'm still struggling with it too, but I want you to learn from like my lessons as well. Is be like, let the market come to you. So eventually the market will fall in that direction, and like that's when you should like start acting on it, but never like before time itself. So I hope this was useful. This is my cat here, who's a little anxious and trying to like play around, but I'm actually making this video for you. So yes, this is my lesson for you. I hope it helps you and you benefit from this as well.